Hello. So I'm doing a road trip to Pakistan this year in my car. It's an LS 430 2002. There's a group of us going. So far there are 3 cars. We're going to go from England across Western Europe into Turkey, Iran, and then finally we're going to get to Pakistan. A lot of people have told me that I'm crazy for taking this car. It's too old and it won't make it, etc, etc. But I just wanted to show you the prep I'm doing to the car and what you need in order to do the trip. So this is the first video I'm doing. This is just purely about the car. I will be doing more videos about the paperwork involved and what you need to do, and etc, etc. So this is the car. I'm doing a major service on it. So I'm going to change the diff oil, which is just there. Going to seal the underbody. Got the brake clips, so got the anti-roll bar links just there. The D-bush is just there. I'm going to do the gearbox oil and the stainer, which is just there. Brake fluid, all pads and disc, all the filters, oil filter, clean the engine, do the spark plugs and engine oil. So I'm doing a full service on the car, and I'm also going to change the aircon condenser because it is working at the moment, but it is an old car and the last thing I need is for it to let me down when I'm in the scorching temperatures of Iran and Pakistan. So just a short little clip now, and once the car is in the garage and it's getting all its parts fitted onto it, I will do another little video, and I'll keep putting small videos on to show you all what I'm doing, and also the paperwork which is involved for this trip. Thank you.